Next question, question number 4. A school ground is in the shape of circular with radius 103 meter. 4 track each of 3 meter width has to be constructed inside the ground for the purpose of track given. Find the cost of constructing the track at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. Rupees 50 per square meter. Now, solution. The circular. Now, school ground is shape of the circular radius 103 meter. Now, this is circular ground. The radius is 103 meter. Now that is circle. Now first step diagram. Second, the 4 tracks each of 3 meter width has to be constructed inside the ground. The 4 track. The track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4. How many meter? 3 meter. No. 3 track. Now 3 meter. 3 meter. 1 more. 3 meter. How many meter? 3 meter. 4 track. Now that is capital R. The capital R. The radius of the ground. Radius of the ground. Ground capital R equal to 103 meter. Radius of the ground equal to 103. Next, the width of the track. Width of the track W equal to 3 meter. The width of the track W equal to 3 meter. Now, width of the 4 track. Width of the 4 tracks equal to 3 into 4, 12 meter. The width of the 3 meter, 12 meter. Now, radius of the width, radius of the ground, without radius of the ground, without track, small r equal to 103 meter minus 12. Now answer 91 meter. That is small r. The capital R is 103 meter. The small r is 91 meter. Now area of the track. Area of the 4 tracks. 4 tracks equal to 5 capital R square minus 5 small r square unit. Now 5 into capital R square minus small r square. Now substitute. Now capital R 22 by 7 into 103 square minus 91 square meter square. Now 22 by 7 into 103 plus 91, 103 minus 91. meters square. Now 27 by 194 into 12 meter square. 12 meter square. Now you cancel that. You cancel that. No. Now you multiply all. You multiply 22 into 12. 4, 4, 2, 1. Sorry, 2, 2. Now 4, 6, 2. 264 into 194. 194. Now 16 remaining 1. 24, 25 remaining 2. 8, 10. Now 36 remaining 3. 54, 57 remaining 5. 18, 23. Now 4, 6, 2, 6, 1, 12 remaining 1, 11 remaining 1, 5. Answer 51, 6 divided by 7. Divided by 7. You divide 51, 1, 6 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49, remaining 2. 3 sevens are 21, remaining 1. 1 sevens are 7, remaining 4. 6, 4 sevens are 6 sevens are 42, remaining 4. 5, 0. 5 sevens are 35, remaining 5, 0. 7 sevens are 49. 1 going up. Now answer 7316.57 meters square. 7316.75 meters square. 75 meters square. Now the cost of constructing constructing 1 meter square equal to rupees 50. The cost of constructing 16.7 meter square equal to, you multiply 7316.7 into 50, you multiply 736.7 into 50 into 50. Now 0. Now 35. 35 remaining 3 0 35 remaining 3 25 28 remaining 2 32 remaining 3 8 15 36. How many digits people buy? 2 digits. Answer rupees 36 58 28.5 rupees. Answer 3,65,828.50 rupees. The cost of constructing 7,316.57 meters square equal to rupees 3,65,828.50 rupees. Next question number 5. The figure shown is the aerial view of the pathway. Find the area of the pathway. Now that is rectangle diagram. The two rectangle one, outer rectangle capital length L equal to 180 meter, capital B equal to 50 meter. The outer rectangle. Inner rectangle length, small length equal to 17 meter. The small breadth B equal to 40 meter. 40 meter. Now solution. Now capital L equal to 80 meter. Capital B equal to 50 meter. 50 meter. Now small L equal to 70 meter. Small b equal to 40 meter. 40 meter. 40 meter. Now area of the outer rectangle. Area of the outer rectangle, capital L into B, capital L into B square unit. Now capital L 80 into 50 meter square. Now 5 8s are 40, 4,000 meters square. 4,000 meters square. Now area of the inner rectangle equal to L into B square unit. Now L 70 small l into 40 meters square. 2,800 meters square. 2,800 meters square. Now area of the pathway. Therefore area of the pathway equal to area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Area of the outer rectangle 4,000 minus 2,800 meter square. Now 1,200 meter square. 4,000 minus 2,800, 1,200 meter square. Next question number 6. A rectangular garden has dimension 11 meter into 8 meter. A path of 2 meter width has to be constructed along its sides. Find the area of the path. Find the area of the path. Find the area of the path. Now solution. Draw the diagram. Now that is rectangle. The rectangular garden. How many meter? 11 meter. 8 meter. 8 meter. First step diagram. Second, a path of 2 meter width has to be constructed along its sides. Along 2 meter width. 2 meter width. Now this is 2 meter. 2 meter. 2 meter. 2 meter. Now capital L. That is capital L equal to 11 meter. Capital B equal to 8 meter. 8 meter. Now small l, small b. Now small l equal to small l equal to capital L minus 2W. Now 11 minus 2 into 2. 11 minus 4 and the 7 meter. The small l equal to 7 meter. Now small b equal to capital B minus 2W. Now capital B 8 minus 2 is the width 2 meter 2 meter. Now total 4 meter. 8 minus 4 meter. Now small a equal to 11 meter, small b equal to 4 meter. Now area of the rectangle garden, area of the rectangular garden, area of the rectangle garden, area of the rectangle garden, area of the rectangular garden equal to capital L and D square unit. Now 11 is 8 meter square, 88 meter square. Area of the rectangular garden 88 meter square. Now area of the rectangle inner garden, area of the inner rectangular garden, area of the inner rectangle, area of the inner rectangle equal to L into D square unit. Now L 7 meter, B 4 meter. Now 28 meters square. 28 meters square. Now final answer, area of the pathway. Therefore area of the path, area of the path equal to area of the rectangle garden minus area of the inner rectangle 28 meter square. Now 60 meter square. 60 meter square. Next question. Question number 7. A picture is painted on the ceiling of marriage hall whose length and breadth are 18 meter and 7 meter respectively. There is a border of 10 centimeter long each of its sides. Find the area of the border, area of the border, area of the border. The solution, the identical diagram, that is rectangular shape, 18 meter, 7 meter length, 18 meter, 7 meter width. Now, there is border of 10 centimeter along each side. The 10 centimeter border. 10 centimeter border. Now 10 centimeter border. 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter border width. W equal to 10 centimeter width. Now four side same. Now first solution, length of the ceiling, length of the ceiling, capital L equal to 18 meter. Breadth of the ceiling, capital B equal to 7 meter. Now area of the ceiling equal to L into B square unit. Now 18 into 7 meter square. Now 8 sounds are 56. 8 sounds are 56. Remaining 5, 7, 12, 126 meter square. 126 meter square. Now width of the border. Width of the border. The width of the border width of the border equal to 10 centimeter. The 10 centimeter converted to meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. 10 by 100 meter. Now answer 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter. Width of the border equal to 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter. Now the 0.1 meter. 0.1 meter. Now small length. Now rectangle. Now length of the ceiling without border. Length of the ceiling without border. Small l equal to capital L minus 2 width. Now capital L AD minus 2 into 0.1. Now AD find 0.2. Now answer 17.8 meter. 17.8 meter. Now width, breadth of the ceiling without border. Small b equal to capital B minus W. Now capital B 7 minus 2 into 0.1. Now 7 minus 0.2. Now 6.8 meter. 6.8 meter. Now small l value given and small b value given. Now area of the ceiling without border equal to L into B square unit. Now L 78.8 into 6.8 meter square. You multiply 17.8 into 6.8. You multiply 8 8s are 64, remaining 6. 7 8s are 26, 62, remaining 6, 8, 40. Now 48, remaining 4, 42, 46, remaining 4, 6, 10. Now 4, 0, 11, 2, 1. How many digits equal point? 2 digits equal point. Answer 121.04 meter square. 01 meter square. Now find the answer. Area of the border. Therefore, area of the border equal to area of the ceiling minus area of the ceiling without border. Now area of the ceiling 126 minus 121.04 meter square. And you subtract 126 minus 121.04. Now 0, 0. Now 5, 9, 10, 6, 9, 4, 0. Answer 4.96 meter square. 4.96. Now area of the border 4.96 meter square. Question number 8. A canal with 1 meter is constructed all along inside the field, which is 28 meter long and 15 meter wide. Find the area of the canal. Second question, cost of the construction the canal at the rate of rupees 12 meter per square. Now, a canal with 1 meter is constructed all along inside the field. The length is 24 meter, width is 15 meters. Now, rectangular canal, that is length, capital L, length 24 meter, width 15 meter. The canal with 1 meter constructed all along inside the field, inside the 1 meter inside the field, the canal inside the field. Now, how many meter? 1 meter. The 1 meter, that is 1 meter all along. Side this also 1 meter all along 1 meter canal. 1 meter canal. Now solution. Length of the field. Length of the field. Capital L equal to 24 meter. Breadth of the field, capital B equal to 15 meter. Now, area of the field equal to L into D square unit. 24 into 15 meters square. You multiply 24 into 15. Now 0, 10, 12, 4, 2, 0, 6, 3, 360 meters square. Area of the field 360 meters square. Now width of the canal. The width of the canal, how many meter? The width of the canal. Width of the canal W equal to 1 meter. The width of the canal W equal to 1 meter. Now the width of the field or length of the field. Length of the field without canal, small l equal to capital L W 2W. The capital L 24 minus 2 into 1, 24 minus 2, 22 meter. The length of the field without canal 22 meter. Next, the breadth of the field without canal, small b equal to capital B minus W 2W. Now capital B 15 minus 2 into 1. Now 15 minus 2 13 meter. The breadth equal to 13 meter. Now area of the field without canal equal to L into B square unit. Now L 22 into 30 meters square. I multiply L into 13 into 22, 6 to 6, 8 to 286 meters square. 286 meters square. Now area first question number 1. Area of the canal. Area of the canal area of the canal, area of the field minus area of the field without canal. 300 minus 360 minus 286 meter square. Now subtract 360 minus 286. 5, 10, 4, 7, 74 meter square. 74 meter square. Now, second question. The cost of the constructing the canal at the rate of 12 rupees per meter square. The cost, second question. Second question. Cost of constructing 1 meter square equal to rupees 12. Cost of constructing 74 meter square equal to 74 into rupees 12. You multiply 74 into 12. 8, 40, 4, 7, 8, rupees 888 rupees. 888 rupees. Next question. Objective type questions. Question number 9. The formula to find the area of the circular path. A formula to find area of the circular path. Area of the circular path. Area of the circular path, you know very well formula. Area of the circular path. Area of the circular path formula. Area of the circular path equal to area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi into capital R square minus small r square. Pi into pi of capital R square minus small r square. Answer 1. Answer 1. Pi of capital R square minus small r square unit. Area of the circle formula. Next, direct formula. Next, 10th question. Find the formula used to find the area of the rectangular path. Rectangular path. Already you know the rectangular path is also direct formula. Area of the rectangular path. Area of the rectangular path equal to area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. Outer rectangle के capital L into B minus inner rectangle के small l into B. Now capital L into B minus small l into B square unit. Answer second one. Direct formula. Next, 11th question. The formula to find the width of the circular path. Width of the circular path. The width of the circular path. The area of the formula to find the width of the circular path. Width of the circular path. The width of the circle of the capital R minus small r unit. Capital R minus small r unit. Answer third. Answer third. Now formula very important. 3 formula given the objective type question. The formula memorized. The sums is very easy. Thank you, student.